So now I've rolled out all 17 of them, nice and round, and the whole process of flattening them out now begins. And this is where the oil comes into being used. First of all, I flatten each one nice and round, not too much. And I've got to play very quickly because I don't want the dough to dry out. Roughly about the same thickness for all of them. It's no use putting the oil on yet because that will just make the dough very loose. It will stretch too much. The last 5. You can see I'm still using the flour constantly. This is useful for the next step as well. I'm done with that, and the next step now is to put the oil. I use my hands because I can make sure the surface of each little piece is covered. So I dip my fingers in the oil and just rub oil on each surface very liberally. A little bit much there, but it's not a problem. Just make absolutely sure that each one is covered nicely, and this also prevents the dough from drying out. Oops, excuse my voice. Now I'm going to try and match them all up. So those two match up. Excuse me. Those two match up. Those two. Those two. Those two. These two. And this is the last one that I'll just put on top of one. I continue putting more oil. And then I match another two up. So these two go on top there. These two go on top there. These two. And these two. And I most probably will put the 5th one on this one. That will match nicely. Now I've got 4 sets, and this won't take long. Experienced Indian chefs and Indian ladies in particularly, I'm told, are able to stack even up to 20 or more of these and still succeed in separating them later on.